Millions of households across the nation have yet to respond to the United States Census Bureau. If you're one of those millions, now is the time to do so. But what is the census?
So it's important for students at A&M San Antonio as well as people in general to know about the census because so much is based on census data. It's representation in Congress, it's federal funding, and it's also just knowing how many people are in our community.
Dr. Edwin Blanton, Executive Director of the May Center at A&M San Antonio, says the university had various events to push student involvement, but everything has changed since the pandemic.
And the May Center had a lot of plans for a census week, a lot of on-campus programs and activities around the census. And of course, due to the COVID-19 pandemic, many of those things became virtual. So we are doing a lot by social media of reminders about the census. One of the things that has happened is that the census timeline has altered, and so people can still complete a census up until October 31st.
The United States Constitution requires a head count of every person living in the United States every 10 years, and the 2020 census will help decide billions of dollars that are allocated for public roads, schools, hospitals, and hundreds of programs and services. In 2020, for the first time, you'll be able to complete the census online.
During the pandemic is to go ahead, go online, complete that census, and also just encourage family members to do so as well. So remember, just at least one person per household needs to complete that census.
The Census Bureau is encouraging people to respond to the 2020 census, so fewer census officials visit non-responding households face-to-face in August. The census can be completed online at 2020census.gov. I'm Armando Villarreal, Enlace.